covering on the planet.
Hello guys, it's your girl TTV's Beauty. Welcome to my channel. Today we are preparing detox water for clear skin. Very effective one at that. As you can see, I have the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this water. First, I have watermelon peel. I have a large quarter-sized peel. I have 2 lemon oranges, 5 fingers of ginger. I have about 20 cloves of garlic, tiny cloves of garlic. I have a bowl of pineapple peel, all the peel including the bottom and the top, everything about the peel. I have a bowl of that. For this recipe today, guys, I also have 50 mils of honey, which will be coming into this procedure later on. So right now, guys, I'm gonna be peeling the ginger. I'm gonna be taking off the coats to reduce the bitterness of the recipe. So guys, I'll be peeling it one after the other continuously. So to get this done properly, you have to do it slowly and carefully so that you can get all the coats out of the garlic. If you like, you can add the peel, the garlic peel, but I wouldn't want to add it because I really want to reduce the smell of garlic and the bitterness of the water. So right now, I've peeled the ginger, I've peeled the garlic, the both of them. Guys, if you want to know, lemon is very good for skin. It lightens your skin. It contains antibacterial, antifungal effects. It's very good for the skin. It contains natural vitamin C, natural SPF. We have to divide the 2 lemon balls into equal halves because we are going to be boiling this procedure, but you need to see how to arrange it in the pot to get it heat up properly. So guys, garlic is also very good for your skin. It has antibacterial, antifungal effects as well. Pineapple is also another good ingredient that your skin needs. Pineapple helps to detox your system. It's also very good for the skin. It also helps to lighten the skin from within. You need to get the pineapple in a bowl. Then the next thing is to transfer everything into the pot you want to use to boil the mixture. Then for the water you need to add, you are adding about to this quantity of pineapple. Let's say you have a quantity of a 2000-gram container. You have a pineapple filled in it. You need to add 2 liters of water to that and every other ingredients. So you have 2 liters of water and every other ingredient. This is the bowl I used to pack the pineapple. So right now we will be cutting in the watermelon. We cut in the watermelon into tiny bits. Watermelon, as we know, hydrates the body very well. It has very good skin effects that helps to clean your skin, helps to rejuvenate your skin. Fruits generally, every of the recipes we are putting in this in every of the ingredients in this recipe helps to give you that younger look. Fruits generally helps to generate your dead skins, and they contain lots of vitamins that also gives you strength, vitality, that boosts your immunity. So this recipe today is a clear skin detox water, and it's also going to boost your immunity. So right now, guys, we have cut the lemon into the watermelon into tiny pieces. So right now we have to transfer all the ingredients. All the ingredients are very important, guys. If you like, you can do away with whichever one you know you are sensitive to, but they are all very, very important. So right now I've transferred everything in the pot I want to use. So I have to arrange it. Like I told you, I'll be showing you how I'm going to arrange everything. So guys, you can see that the lemon I use is not a very ripe one. It's not a very ripe lemon. I have an half ripe lemon here. So when you want to get your own, you can choose a ripe one, but I prefer an half ripe lemon because it's more acidic, and the more acidic it is, the more the content of vitamin C you get in it. So guys, to this quantity of everything, guys, you need to add, like I mentioned earlier, you add 2 liters of water. So there's a way you arrange these ingredients before you start to boil. You don't just start to boil. You try to create a groove in the pot. Like you move the larger ingredients to the side and pour in the garlic, the ginger, the lemon in the middle, so that all of it will boil to the top. Not that they will be at the top and they will just be steaming up there and they will not really get the heat they deserve. So you have to arrange it properly. Sorry, I didn't mention that this procedure is a very sensitive one. When you are preparing this recipe, guys, you just have to make sure you are doing it in a very sterile environment. So you must have um, sterilized your environment, your utensils that you are using, your pot. You must have cleaned everything. And you don't use your bare hands as well. You use a glove. And you have to wash your hand. Wash your hands while putting on a glove, because this thing is going into your tummy. Despite the fact that it's going through a heating process, some bacteria will not die even at 100 degrees Celsius. So because of the peculiarity of the pandemic, so make sure to be very, very careful when you are preparing this detox water. So you can see I've covered everything up. I've used the pineapple to cover up the garlic and the watermelon and everything. So water has to be to this level that you're seeing here. 2 liters of water will get to almost the peak of the pot. So this is the quantity of water I'm adding to the recipe. And your water has to be a clean water, guys. Make sure it's a clean water you are using so that you can get a proper recipe. So I'm transferring this to heat on the fire. Now our ingredient is on the fire. I've applied heat to it. It's on a very low heat. So this is the 50 mils honey, guys. Honey is a lightening agent. Honey is an antibacterial agent. It's an antifungal agent. Honey is a growth agent, guys. Honey helps to build your worn out tissues. It helps to regenerate the dead tissues. Honey also gives you that immunity you need, the strength you need to fight bacteria in your system. That's your personal body defense mechanism that you desire. Honey helps to build it up. Guys, if you are getting your honey, please make sure to get an original honey. Like you can see, this honey is a good honey. It's not an honey that was made from sugar or from syrup. Some honey are made from syrup, some are made from sugar. So make sure your honey is very, very original. It is very, very important, guys, to get a good honey. Why am I adding honey to this procedure? Apart from the other benefits, health and skin benefit I mentioned, I'm adding honey to it as well to help sweeten it. This water tastes like. So guys, you can see how the detox water is boiling right now. You can see how it's steaming up. So you have to stir everything properly. Stir from the bottom to the top like that. You mix it together. For you to really know that the water is boiling, the mixture is really making progress, you see that the color of the lemon will change a bit to a darker shade. So you really know that you are on the right track. Even the water as well has changed, guys. So you continue to boil it, and you let it really stay in the water for like 20 minutes. Then you add honey to it, like I'm doing now. I'm adding honey to it. Sorry guys about this parts. I actually thought I was capturing it in a portrait form, but I didn't know I was doing it the wrong way. Though I'm not perfect. In fact, I'm not perfect with these things. I'm just an amateur with it, but I have to pass information whichever way. So guys, you pour in the honey completely and you stir properly. You stir properly. After pouring the honey, you leave this mixture to boil for another 10 minutes. So from the time the mixture starts boiling up, you count 20 minutes. Then you add you then add the honey. So after that, after adding the honey, you count another 10 minutes before you finally um, stop boiling it. So right now, guys, I'm going to take a part of it. You know, I'll actually drink this, but before I do that, I need to show you some um, funny process about this mixture, and I need to tell you about how it really works. So guys, this is a part all the previous processes. Right now, guys, I think I have to be telling us about what this water can do for us apart from the detox. This detox water, guys, number one, the taste is very powerful. It's not sour, it's not sweet like I told you, it's not bitter. So it's very okay. Guys, this water, apart from giving you that clear skin, like I said, if you don't have that whitening pills you have always been on, don't worry, you can always continue with this detox water. And I bet you, by the time you take this detox water for 4 weeks, check out your skin and see how it looks. Apart from that, continuous intake of this detox water will also help you to burn down some fats, okay, provided you are not skipping it like I'm skipping. If you have malaria, or your child, or you have cough, cold, like you have flu, you're running nose, catarrh, like the layman's language, guys, just take this detox water 3 times a day. Take it for 3 days. You know it's a detox water. Your skin will just come out pure. Your system will be good. You'll just be all right. Guys, right now I have to sieve this water because I wouldn't want to take in the chaff. I need to sieve it to get the clearer fluid. So I'll do that right away in my glass cup. So as I was saying, guys, you know, because of the peculiarity of the pandemic we are having right now, personally, this is what I take to protect myself because I work in a medical environment. So I take this to help clean my system, to help me fight germs and bacteria and all. So guys, you can just place yourself on this for prophylaxis. Just keep taking something. Don't just stay without anything. Face mask is not enough. Hand sanitizer is not enough. Guys, this will really go a long way to help you. I am not joking. I am not telling you this so you can help me share this video and everything. No. It's a deep secret I've kept so far. It's only for some friends who came to visit me and stumbled on this that really know about it. So, to be on safe side this period, guys, boost your immunity with this drink. Boost your immunity with this detox water. Boost your immunity. Help your children to boost their immunity. You are going to love the results. This is a fluid, like I told you, that I take from time to time. If you don't know, I work in a medical environment and I have to keep myself safe and healthy. I have to keep everyone around me and my family safe. So I take this water from time to time. Guys, go ahead, try it, and let me hear from you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, my old and new subscribers. Thank you, the coming ones, the returning ones. Until